Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Weaviate for vector databases on Kubernetes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Kubernetes cluster up and running. Verify that you have access to your Kubernetes cluster using the command line. Install the Kubernetes command line tool, kubectl, if you haven't already. For managing Weaviate, you will need to install Helm, which is the package manager for Kubernetes. Download and install Helm by following the instructions on the official Helm website. Once Helm is installed, add the Weaviate Helm repository to your setup. You can do this by running the command helm repo add weaviate https://we68io/helm . Next, update your Helm repositories to ensure you have the latest version of the Weaviate chart. Run helm repo update to refresh the repository list. Now, create a namespace in Kubernetes specifically for Weaviate. Use the command kubectl create namespace Weaviate. This helps to manage resources more effectively. After the namespace is created, you can begin the installation of Weaviate. Run the following command to install Weaviate in the newly created namespace: helm install weaviate weaviate namespace Weaviate. During installation, you might want to customize some values, such as persistence settings and resources. To do this, create a custom values.yaml file. In this file, specify your desired configurations for storage, replicas, and other parameters. Once your values.yaml file is ready, use the following command to install Weaviate with custom configurations: helm install weaviate monitor the deployment to ensure that all pods are running correctly. You can do this by executing kubectl get pods and Weaviate. If all pods are in the running state, your setup is successful. Next, you need to set up your Weaviate instance with an accessible endpoint. Retrieve the service information using the command kubectl get services and Weaviate. Note the type of service assigned to Weaviate. If it's a cluster IP, you may need to change it to load balancer for external access. You can edit the service by running kubectl edit svc Weaviate and Weaviate. Change the type from cluster IP to load balancer and save the changes. Wait a few moments for Kubernetes to provision the external IP address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.